Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm so excited for today's episode because it's my birthday. So actually it's a couple of days ago. But happy birthday to me. And for today's episode, I'm happy to share that we are going to do a birthday unboxing haul. Yes guys, so we have many exciting things to unbox for today. So we have ready-to-wear, we have gadgets, and most especially, we have two bags to unbox for today. So one is I'm going to reveal, then one is a true unboxing. I'm super excited. So guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Right, so the very first gift from me to me that we are going to unbox for today is a gadget. So unfortunately guys, my Jurassic iPhone 6s Plus gave up on me a couple of nights back. I was just happily editing one of our vlogs, then suddenly it shut down for no apparent reason. So I tried to do the information given at the Apple website. Unfortunately, it would not turn back on. So currently, she is with a technician and is being repaired, and please pray for me that she still gets repaired because of course I would still want to use her. But guys, a little secret, so right now I still don't have the phone with me. So as of filming, today is Thursday, but we are scheduled to go out over the weekend now, and that would be the time that I would be purchasing my new iPhone. But of course, once this goes live, then I already have my iPhones. What I'm going to do is just I'm going to insert clips here of my unboxing of my new gadget, which I'm so happy that finally I'll have a new gadget to film whenever I'm doing shopping vlogs and of course taking OOTD. Alright guys, so the second item that I would want to share to you, the second unboxing gift from me to me. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. It is ready to wear guys, and here they are. So we have not just one, not just two, but we have 3 new ready-to-wear pieces gift from me to me. So guys, this one I have designed for myself, and just to share to you guys, if you are not familiar, so I am a fashion designer. I have my own line, Mason Ramiro. So if you are not following me on Instagram, so please do check me out. So anyway, so I have made this for me. Technically guys, as you are going to notice, so I love this. It's very sparkly, it's very sequiny. So I made 3 sleeveless tops for me. So one is a white sequin tank top, then I also made a black version over here, lower. So actually guys, the black version, I have already worn her during one of my fashion night out when I have watched a fashion show. I'm going to insert the photo here, and I so love the fit of this one. And then just today I have finished a third one. So this one, it's more of a see-through kind of material, and I so love it because, to be honest guys, why I made these for me. So technically, us fashion designers, well, speaking for myself, we don't have much time making clothes for ourselves because most of the time we are going to construct pieces mostly for our client. But if, for example, I have extra time, then I'm going to whip up a little something for me, especially if there are special events. And why I have decided these styles of high neck tank tops. Technically, I'm not a sleeveless kind of person, but during the H&M shopping event, that was the first time that I wore a sleeveless top in public, and I have noticed, wow, I could pull this off. So immediately, I told myself that I need to make more of these wonderful pieces. Just look how they sparkle, guys, and wow. So this is again the white silver, then I have the black one, and then you're going to notice guys, also I love it that it doesn't have any lining. I made sure of that design because it's also kind of my peg right now to, you know, to be revealing a little bit of skin. So just like with this one, Plus, of course, guys, with the weather here in the Philippines, it still is like summer, although it is already the monsoon season or the rainy season here, but it is hot as hell. So that is why whenever I would be going out, I wanted to wear something light, but still chic and very, very beautiful. So what do you think of my 3 Maison Ramiro top? Yay! Alright, so for the third birthday gift from me to me that we are going to unbox is one of my wishlist item, and I'm so excited that I finally found it. So are you ready? So let me just get her. So here she is. Guys, so before I unbox, do you have any guesses among the luxury wishlist bags that I have? Please do comment down below for your guesses. I would love to read them. So now let us do the unboxing. So it's more of a reveal because I have already used this, to be honest. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Shannon! So here she is, guys. So now I have my crystal bag. Just look at her. So here she is. So before I explain more, I would like to share what she looks like first. So here is the front, guys. Here is another side. So actually there's no front or side, or front or back rather. Here's another side over here, another side, and then the bottom part. And then of course we have the zipper on this side here. So guys, here she is, my new baby. So did you guess it right, guys? This is one of my wishlist items. If you haven't seen that, I'm going to link it up here. And to be honest, I have been looking for a crystal bag that is suited for my lifestyle. Then of course, guys, I would also like to share that I'm so happy. This is not from any of the luxury brands that we have right now. She is not a Bottega, guys. I'm sorry, but as you would see, she looks like a Jody bag, but she is not Bottega. But she is not a dupe, guys, because this is like a brandless bag that I found online, and I was so lucky, to be honest. When I purchased this one, I wasn't expecting that the quality would be this good, because if you are going to take a look, let me just put a little bit closer if it would focus. As you can see here, so these are the crystals. So it is very different from the way like for example the product crystal bag is made, because with those kind of bag, the crystals are like glued together at the satin part of the bag, but this one, it's like a mesh kind of material, and the entire part of mesh is made of crystals like this, as you can see. And it sparkles like nobody's business. I'm so happy that I have her in my collection. Also, guys, what I would love to share about this one, of course, she is not really that expensive, to be honest with you. But guys, the quality of this bag is so amazing. Unfortunately, when I have received this and I unboxed it immediately, unfortunately, I wasn't able to film that because I was really shouting and screaming when I have opened this bag, because again, she is so good, guys. Like for me, this is a true definition of a luxury bag that is not a luxury bag. The crystals of this one, because she is very weighty, she has some heft, and you could really tell that the crystals used for this bag are like, quality rhinestone materials. It's not the plastic materials that you're going to see online. So when I purchased this one, I have chatted with the seller first, and I have made sure if the crystals were heavy or not, because if for example you are going to purchase crystals bag online and they are light, then you could be certain that the crystals that they are used are like the plastic crystals. These crystals, I believe it's the same crystal that Jimmy Choo and Alexander Wang is using. I am certain that Alexander Wang is using the same crystals on his bag, on his collection, because when I have done a shopping vlog, I have seen his crystal bag. I'm going to insert a clip here, and it is the same crystals as this, guys. Look at this one, so gorgeous. And as you can see, she is so sparkly. She shines like no other business. So I'm going to put some photos and mugshots here, but just to give you more of what it would look like. So of course you could carry her as a top handle, and you could insert her and carry her at the crook of your arm like this. Alright, so guys, I feel with the way this bag is constructed, I would not be afraid to carry her with me and would think that some crystals might fall off. That's why I'm so happy with this purchase. And can you just imagine, guys, like for example, I love wearing black and I'm going to wear this. Definitely this bag is going to be the talk of the evening. That is why I'm so happy that I finally have a crystal bag in my collection. So I'm going to put some photos and videos here because as mentioned earlier, I have already used this one, and mind you guys, I did not use this for an evening event. I used this as a day bag. So I went shopping last weekend and I used her with me plus my Loewe bag. I was carrying them both together, so this one would be housing my phone and my card holder, and then the Loewe housing everything else. So that's why she is so perfect. So guys, I'm so excited because we have another unboxing that I'm going to share to you, so stay tuned. So guys, before we do what fits inside my beautiful crystal bag, let's do an unboxing first. So this is a true unboxing, guys. I have just transferred the content inside my Romero box over here. So before we begin, guys, any guesses what bag we are going to unbox next? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. So here she is. So this is the how it came. So let me just open this one really quickly. One moment, guys. So I'm just removing the tape. Okay. Are you ready? Again, countdown. 3, 2, 1. OMG! Here she is, guys. Wow! So guys, I got myself a second crystal bag, and this time I got a color gold. So here she is. So let's do a comparison. Wow! So this is the silver, this is the gold. So let me just inspect the gold first because this is the first time that I'm seeing this. Ooh, okay. Alright, so she is good. I'm not seeing any damages from her. So let us inspect her again one more time, guys. Just look how she sparkles. Ah, oh my god, I'm so happy. So this is the gold version. So it's the same kind of construction. So the same type of crystals but in different color. As you can see, so that is the close-up version. So this is the one side, guys. And this is the other. Then it has a knot over here. This is the one side, the bottom part, and here is the zipper. So the zipper, I was wishing that it comes with gold zipper, but the zipper is silver, so but that would be okay. Then this is the inside part. So the inside I wasn't able to show you on the silver part, but basically they're the same. So we have one pocket over here and it has a zipper, one zippered pocket inside. I'm so excited. And just like my crystal silver bag, they have the same weight, so the same construction, the same quality. So guys, what do you think of my new crystal bag? I'm so happy that I have these two new babies that I would be adding to my collection. I'm actually thinking of another color from the same seller. She has an option to get the Bottega green and the pink, but I really wanted a red one, so I'm just, you know, maybe waiting for a sign for me to get a third one. Guys, do you think I need a third crystal bag in my collection? What do you think? So let us do what fits inside. Alright, so this is going to be the first time I'm going to stuff everything inside. So these are the actual things that I do carry with me. So these are the essentials. So as mentioned earlier, my phone is not here, but I have a sample case of my 6S Plus over here. So I'm going to put it in. So there, it goes in very beautifully. So like so. And then of course, my YSL card holder definitely is a must. My slim power bank over here, definitely another must. Then of course, I don't carry my Chanel makeup kit over here because that is a little bit bigger. So I feel like, for example, your Louis Vuitton mini pochette, I'm not really sure if would be able to fit it inside the zipper opening. But if, for example, I have micro bags, then definitely I'm just going to put some of my makeup on very small pouch like this. So I have my oil control film, I have my lipstick and lip gloss, so it would go in here. Then of course, the cord to my power bank. Let me just do this really quickly. And then maybe a fan there. So guys, it actually fits everything. So let me just close the zipper. There, so actually it does fit everything and it has more space. So if you could see here, it has more space. I love it, guys, that it slouches really beautifully. You know me, guys, I love a good structured bag, but for these two bags over here, I love that they slouch really gorgeously. Just look at that one. So you could fit more if, for example, if you want to stuff this more. So definitely if you have your key fob, or keys, maybe another card holder, then maybe your sunnies, definitely it could still fit here. So I am guessing, guys, maybe if I would be going out and would be carrying this, I may no longer need a second bag with me because definitely this would work for my lifestyle. OMG! I'm just going to put some inserts here, like mud shots of how I would normally carry this, but just to give you a quick overview. So definitely you could carry this as a top handle bag, and of course you could carry her at the crook of your arm like this. Unfortunately, because this one is a little bit, oh, okay. Alright, so I'm guessing that you could carry her as a shoulder bag like this. Wow. Oh, okay, it fit, but I'm guessing, like, for example, if you are carrying or wearing like thick coats, then definitely you are going to have a hard time carrying this as a shoulder bag. OMG, I'm so excited, guys. What do you think of our birthday unboxing haul? Alright, guys, so if you have stayed at this part of our unboxing episode today, kindly leave a cake emoji. That would really mean everything to me. Alright, guys, so before we end, I would love to hear from you. So among the beautiful gifts that we have unboxed for today, which ones are your favorite? So what do you think of my new 2 crystal bags? So finally, I was able to check them off my wish list. If you guys are interested with these bags, please send me a DM and I'm going to send you the link on where you could purchase this. I'm so happy. And again, guys, I would love to say thank you to each and every one of you for spending my birthday, for sending me amazing, beautiful birthday wishes. Thank you so much. So guys, before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!